I'm rolling the clock back to the early 1900s, dusty roads, horse-drawn carts, and a bold idea on the horizon. Meet the Model T. Introduced in 1908 by Henry Ford, built not for the elite, but for everyday people. Under its simple, boxy body sat a 2.9-liter four-cylinder engine, about 20 horsepower. Top speed? Around 40 to 45 kilometers per hour. Plenty for rutted, muddy roads. Wooden spoke wheels, round headlights. A hand-crank starter that took a little muscle and a lot of respect. Here's the revolution. The moving assembly line. In 1913 at Highland Park, cars moved, workers stayed. Time to build a Model T dropped dramatically. Prices fell from around $850 at launch to as low as about $260 by the mid-1920s. Suddenly, mobility was affordable. People called it the Tin Lizzie. And it was everywhere. Families used it for daily travel. Farmers bolted on attachments to work their fields. Weekend drives stitched towns together. Controls were quirky. 3 pedals for gear selection and braking, with a hand throttle. But the idea was universal. Go farther, faster, together. From 1914 to 1925, most Model Ts were painted black. Quick-drying paint kept the lines moving. By 1927, more than 15 million had been built, reshaping cities, reshaping jobs, reshaping the rhythm of daily life. Today, you'll find beautifully restored Model Ts in museums and classic car shows, gleaming wood spokes, polished brass, stories in every panel. More than a machine, it's a milestone. The moment the world learned to move on 4 wheels. The Ford Model T didn't just change driving, it changed society. And its legacy is still on the road.